What's up, mi gente, and welcome once again to my channel. If this is your first time here, I gotta tell you, I love to share fashion and beauty tips for the guys, the gays, the girls, love for everybody, all inclusive in here on my channel. I do love shopping. It is my favorite thing to do. I don't know who doesn't like shopping. I have 18 years of experience in the retail world. I have shared with them beauty tips, fashion tips, and with the purpose of truly make them feel better about themselves. I think this is why this channel exists today. That's why I am here talking to you right now. And if you feel better, you're going to inspire others, and therefore you're gonna be more productive, and at the end you can even make more money. In any case, for today's video, I want to share and help those guys out there that sometimes struggle to put an outfit together. In general, you might buy a new pair of shoes and you have no idea
how to make them look good.
I am very grateful to have partnered with Bruno Marc today. I went on a crazy shopping haul. I was impressed with the selections. They have so many amazing choices, and the price point, it is mind-blowing, you guys. This is something that you cannot miss. Here we have this white sneaker. It might seem simple, basic, right? And that's exactly why do you need this. For many occasions, this is gonna be your best friend. Tip number one, have a magic eraser and just wet it a little bit, and all the scuffs and all the dirt will go away. I've been doing that with my white sneakers and it's just been great. I wear my white sneakers with pink colors, with blues, with grays, with anything, and it really goes. With jeans, it's great, t-shirts, a leather jacket. So here on the screen, I'm sharing different types of jackets and a pair of these sneakers. That combo, it looks elegant, sophisticated, and it looks put together. Very easy. I do suggest to not go crazy on the color. Just get something definitely in black. You need a good fitted black suit jacket that fits great. Gray is the second color that I recommend, and blue. Start with those basic ones, and a pair of denim that is not ripped, that is not faded, nothing too baggy, not loose, something fitted but not too tight either, that is gonna squeeze your
nuts out.
I do suggest, if you're gonna buy something online, look at the material. Get something with a little bit of spandex, because they mold to your body, and if you gain a little bit of weight, they're gonna still fit without a problem. That will give you like a very nice look for the holidays, for any time of the year. This is a look that you need to have in your wardrobe right now. It is vegan leather, so if you're concerned about if it's your leather and you're more conservative on that topic, do not be concerned, because it's vegan leather. It has a rubber outsole. It has a round toe, so it's not gonna be way too pointy, and it comes with extra laces. I'm about to introduce the black version of it. It's right in here. Black is great as a secondary color. I still suggest, if this is your first time with Bruno Marc, go with the white. Trust me on that one. It kind of brightens everything up. $46.99, you guys. You got your basics in here, and it doesn't matter what you wear in your outfit. This will always go. Okay, so let's talk about men's Oxfords. This is the Oxford style right in here, you guys. So when you mention Oxford, you might think grandpa. You might think my dad back on the day. This is not this type of Oxford. This is definitely a little bit more modern. It's like a crossover between a sneaker and a dress shoe. Look at the brown detail in the back as well. Right on this, la lengua del zapato, how you say la lengua? I would say this is called a tongue, but it's not.
Enough. I know that I have an accent, but people understand me just fine.
By the way, I'm gonna be filming the same video in Spanish, so stay tuned for that one if you wanna have a little Spanish lesson with me in here. Now, you may be asking how I'm gonna style an Oxford. Literally, whatever you do with this shoe, the way you style this shoe, you can style this. Plus, it's gonna give you the advantage that if you're gonna go to a wedding, it's gonna give you the advantage if you're gonna go to something a little bit more elevated, a little bit more sophisticated, a very nice high-end restaurant, you can still get away with this because it looks very dressy with the right suit. Does that make sense? But then there is like that transition where like, I wanna look a little bit better, Georgie. I wanna feel that, I wanna look a little trendy, but yet sophisticated. Then you want to choose an Oxford. This has even more padding, I think, than the sneaker. A lot of padding and very lightweight. And this is synthetic leather and has a cushion latex insole as well. Sold. How much it is? $49.99. Nice modern Oxford style, $49.99. And this is a known fact. If you do feel good about yourselves when you look in the mirror and you're like, damn, I look good, your whole day is gonna change. You're gonna attract people into your life and you're gonna feel more empowered. It's psychology, I know, but it helps. The people that are the most depressed are the ones that they don't care about their appearance. They don't care about how they look, how their hair looks. They're just on a down. And therefore, life keeps going down that way. So definitely just put a little effort to just put something simple together and you go from there, and it becomes addicting. Gotta tell you, when you master this, you're gonna be like, okay, I'm ready for the next step. So then we're gonna make other videos when we get to that level, but for now this is fashion 101, simple, easy, not hard at all, you guys. Now this looks right on the top. For me, it is like that traditional Oxford old school style just by looking at it. And again, this is a crossover now between an Oxford dress shoe into a sneaker. It stretches on the side. It has like this breathable, almost meshy type of feel. This is even lighter weight than the other one. So how are you gonna style this shoe? Before anything, this with a pair of khaki pants will look stunning, or like a linen pant will be great. Obviously denim, right now at this point you need to have a denim that it is clean, that is nice, and that it is fitted with a little bit of spandex. Just take note of that. That's step number one. Step number two, again, jacket, a sports jacket that fits right. If you want maybe recommendations on where to find a good sports jacket, check the brand 𝒂𝒄𝒕. I have many videos with the brand, a lot of collaborations, good quality, good stuff. By the way, this is a 𝒂𝒄𝒕. I'm wearing this more for like the holidays. This is great for New Year's party. This you can wear pretty much anything that is casual with a nice pair of jeans, linen pants, or a suit. Very unexpected combination, and this is really nice. Now this is very interesting. I like the multi-layer style of it. It's almost like multi-dimensional. I think it's really nice. Even the insole has the blue and a little bit of that cream color. This is a thick padded collar. So this is gonna prevent chafing and offers extra comfort for your feet. And this is a pattern TPR outsole. This is the actual technical term of this type of outsole in here. So it says keeps you walking with exceptional stability. Good to know. So if you have stability issues, look at this type of the insole. That might help with that as well. Did I mention the price on this? $49.99. The one prior, I'm sorry if I forgot the price point on that one, it was also $49.99 as well. So I have not encountered anything on this style so far for over 50 bucks. That blows my mind. How are you gonna style this pair of shoe? Obviously something that's gonna be a little bit more dressy, things that is gonna be like a nice pair of slacks, a nice shirt. Another tip for you guys, I always say this, get a plain t-shirt. Plain t-shirts can fool anybody. Look at this, I'm wearing a black t-shirt, I'm having a sports jacket on, I would put a pair of shoes like this, and I look super to the part, sophisticated. I look the part. It looks like I belong, and I have a freaking t-shirt. If this is not your first time in here, you know that I'm a little bit of a loud, a little bit of funky person, and I like loud colors, happy colors, and that's why I selected this popsicle orange sneaker. Woo, scandalo! Wow! But also, look at what I'm doing with it. I can play volleyball with the sneaker. Lightweight, you guys. It almost feels like foam. Wow. This right here, it is a running shoe. You're gonna be asking how I'm gonna style this. You don't have to worry about it. It is a freaking running shoe. Shorts, t-shirt, you can look like a crazy person, it doesn't matter. If you want to look a little bit more put together, this with this tracksuit in here, it will look so nice. It will still look put together with a little bit of elegance at the same time, but super casual, super relaxed. Price point on this is $56.99. Not too shy on price either. Gotta tell you, if you're gonna be traveling, this is the type of sneaker that you're gonna go with. So lightweight, so comfortable. And I like the fact that this is gonna make me look even taller. I'm almost 6 feet in height, so I don't need to look any taller. Almost like the Spice Girls. You know what I'm talking about? So this is like more like a mid-ankle type of boot. This I like because it's almost like that Chelsea boot. This is like that style. How are you gonna style this one, you guys? This something a little bit definitely more tailored will look great. Something in the khaki color, beige, green, anything earth tone will look amazing with a brown pair of boots. With denim works beautifully. Start right now, go to your closet, start organizing, get a jacket, get a pair of jeans, nice pair of shoes, oh, and a t-shirt. Trust me on that one. Get a plain t-shirt, take a picture, and I want to see you. So the deal, I want to see how you put this look together. Happy shopping and happy holidays, because yes, it is time to go shopping. So thank you so much for watching. Thank you for your support. Thank you for being here, and I will see you on my next video. Mwah. Take care, spread love, and do not hate. Bye.